Hello, I'm Anderson.
I'm Annie.
Because due to the internet issue, we already end the live stream.
Yes.
But we will do it another time for you guys after we solve the internet issues. So for quick reminder, you can use the QR code here. You can use the QR code here to order from this QR code. Will get you worth $32 suspension arms. We will send you as a gift. This link will available for 72 hours. In this 72 hours, you can always use this QR code or use the link down below to purchase the DSK from us. The DSK will come with the 3 versions. The RTR version. Oh, yes, this is RTR version. It combined with the 76 motor and 188 ESC, and the kit version. The RTR and kit version was the same price. Also, is the $499. But this kit version we already installed the 78 motor is a sensor motor, and also 168 ESC also is a sensor ESC. Well, in the future, we will compare with the programming card for this ESC here. So yes, you can stay tuned for the future. And for you guys already have the electronic, if you already have the electronic, you can select our roller version. The roller version and the kit RTR version is the same version. Only this roller version is without any electronic inside. So if you already have your electronic, had some maybe like the roller, like the motor, like the ESC and servo, you can choose the roller version. But if you want more tuning experience, if you have more tuning experience, you can select the kit version. But you just want to bash it out of the box, only need to charge the battery, choose the RTR version here. So remember here to scan the QR code here to in the 72 hours after this video is posted. And that's all about it. Thank you guys for being with us tonight. Sorry for the internet problem.
Yes, thank you so much for your support for RLAARLO all the time. Thank you.
So we will do can continue to do more products and promise you guys to bring you awesome RC experience for you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.